Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You already have the essentials: your Wi-Fi name and password, the Google Home app, and a charged Nest Hub Max. Plug the hub in and wait for the welcome screen, then open Google Home on your phone. Tap Add, set up device, and choose New Device in your home. The app scans for the hub, allow Bluetooth and location if prompted. Once the device appears, confirm the 4-digit code shown on the hub with the app to pair them. Now you select your Wi-Fi network inside the Google Home flow. You will see nearby SSIDs. Pick your router's name and type the password carefully. Passwords are case sensitive. If you have both bands, choose 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Make sure the hub is on the same band as your phone during setup. The app uploads settings to the hub. Wait while it connects and applies updates. If prompted, allow updates to finish before moving on. Finish by confirming the Nest Hub Max displays as connected in Google Home. Try a voice command or cast a test video to verify. If the connection fails, first power cycle the router and hub, unplug each for 10 seconds, then restart. Make sure your phone stays on the same Wi-Fi during setup. If problems persist, check for MAC filtering or router guest network rules. As a last resort, factory reset the hub and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.